Welcome back to the channel. My name is Pravculear. What do you say I get right into the review of the Redragon K708 Pro Keyboard, which is also called the Flekact Pro, at least according to the box. Right here. See? Also, another thing I'd like to discuss in the comments below. How do you say this? Is it Redragon or Redragon, which is probably the intended way? Oh well. It is what it is, and, yeah, it's just, one of the quietest keyboards I've used, so, what do you say we just get right into the sound test so I can just show you that? So, I'm gonna set up that typing test, and, that's gonna require, me turning the decibel gain on this mic up to plus 10 decibels, and turning off the, noise filter that prevents you from, hearing the fans of my computer, so, brace for impacts for that one. Right, that concludes the typing test, and, yeah, that's how it genuinely sounds. So what do you say I, jump right into the software side of things and show you that driver for this keyboard? Welcome to the, driver software, and, I guess you're seeing the rest of the display because, the other modes that I usually use for, OBS strangely doesn't work with this, software, so, yeah, you get to see the display. Anyways, what do you say we just, walk you through the keyboard? Here is where you'd, change the lighting settings if you didn't want to use the, built-in method for the keyboard. And yeah, it's been sitting at 42% for right now. And I have not charged this at all, throughout the week that I've had it, so make do with that information, what you will. So, yeah, there's where you would do that. And yes, there is an audio react mode. Yeah, called Audio Wave. And I guess I'm gonna show you, the mode, so I guess I'm gonna fire up some music. And I guess you can, have fun guessing which game the, music came from and which track it's called. So, yeah, have fun guessing that one. So, yeah, here it is. Well, I thought that was too loud. But you still get the point of it. And, yeah, that's the audio wave. Moving on to the button settings, and this is where you just set up the, buttons. If you wanted to do, any, custom functions, for the key combinations. Here's the macro management, and this is where you make all your macros. And here's the other settings. This is where you'd, set your USB report rate, and it just defaulted to 1000 hertz. Okay. And, yeah. And this is where you'd make the, adjust for the LCD screen, if you wanted to change it to that. So, let's just see now. Right, you press the, volume knob in, and this is how you do that. At least I think so. Ah, yes, it's in this div. So, yeah, that's how you get to there. Anyways, that's the, drivers for this keyboard. Funny enough, it's labeled as a K708 Pro Max in the, drivers, but I think that's, just about considering it's, labeled as the... Let me just bring it up the Amazon page. K708 Pro Wireless. So, yeah, that's the model number. Anyways, don't know what's going on there. But oh well, it's just a minor visual bug that doesn't really affect the usefulness of the software. And yeah, another nice thing is that you can actually use the software if you're doing the 2.4 gigahertz dongle. I don't think you can do it on the Bluetooth mode that doesn't involve a 2.4 gigahertz dongle. It's either that or you're stuck with the wire to this keyboard, so there's that to consider. Anyways, it's a decent typing experience for what it is. And if you're wondering what the words per minute I could achieve through that typing test, it was 40 words per minute. Let me know if you can beat that in the comments below. Anyways, I'll see you in the next one whenever that one drops on this channel. So like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video all over social media if you want to help out the channel and the algorithm for free. And if you want to support the channel financially, there's a link to my Ko-Fi in the description below, or you can get your name on the trust screen for as low as $1 a month. There's also the Amazon affiliate route, if you wanted to pick up this here keyboard, which will support the channel and I'll make more of these kind of videos possible, and with more expensive keyboards. Anyways, I'll see you whenever the next one is posted on this channel, so keep your eyes peeled for that one. Bye!